Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Gulikit controller to a PC. First, let's use the USB dongle method. This option gives you a wireless connection with very low lag. Start by pressing the home button to turn on the controller. Next, press and hold the left mode button for 2 seconds. Repeat this until the light stays on the dongle icon, which looks like a small USB stick. Now, plug the Gulikit USB receiver into an open USB port on your PC. Press and hold the right pairing button on the controller for 2 seconds until the lights begin scrolling quickly. Then press the small pairing button on the USB dongle. Once connected, both lights will stay solid. The second method is Bluetooth. Turn on the controller with the home button, then hold the left mode button for 2 seconds until the light stays on the Windows icon. Hold the right pairing button for 2 seconds to enter pairing mode. On your computer, open Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices, and click Add Device. Choose Bluetooth, then select Xbox Wireless Controller or Gulikit controller from the list. The lights will become solid when the connection is complete. The last method is using a USB cable. Turn on the controller and set it to either the dongle icon or the Windows icon. Connect a USB-C cable to the controller and plug the other end into your PC. Your computer will automatically detect it as an Xbox controller, and you can start playing right away. Thanks for watching.